In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Play support. If you're dealing with a payment that won't go through, need a refund on an app, or you're running into subscription or download errors, the official Google Help system is the right place to go. There isn't a public phone number for Google Play, so you'll reach support by chat or email, depending on your issue. The quickest method is inside the Play Store app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the top right, tap your profile picture to open the account menu. Choose Help and Feedback, then tap Contact Us. Type a short description of what's going on, like payment declined or refund needed. After that, Google will show the contact options available for your situation. If chat appears, choose Chat for the fastest conversation. If chat isn't available, select Email Support and submit your details. Availability can vary by time of day and region, so it's normal if you only see email at certain times. Keep your message clear and concise, and include relevant details such as the app name and what you've already tried. If you're on a computer, use the Google Play Help website. Go to support.google.com Google Play. Scroll down to the section labeled Need More Help and select Contact Us. If prompted, sign into your Google account. Then pick the category that best matches your issue and choose the contact method shown, again chat or email. The site guides you through a few quick questions so you reach the right specialist. Support can help with payment problems or declined transactions, app refund requests, subscription issues, account or purchase errors, and missing apps or downloads. For purchase questions, it helps to know the approximate date of the transaction and to be signed in with the same Google account you used to buy the item. If you're requesting a refund, remember that eligibility and timelines follow Google Play's refund policies and may vary by region and app. Email replies often arrive within a business day, while chat can resolve many issues on the spot. A very important reminder, Google Play does not have a public phone support number. Be cautious of any website or phone number claiming to be a Google Play support hotline. Many of these are scams. Always start from supportgoogle.com or from the Help and Feedback section in the Play Store app to stay safe. That's all you need. Use the app or the website, describe your issue clearly, and choose chat or email to get help from the official team.